not as difficult as it may seem. Many of us want to create one but don't know where to start. So I thought of creating this video in order to share my learnings in starting a YouTube channel from scratch. So let's begin. Number 1. Get the right devices. Sure, there will be people who will say to you, hey, you don't need anything special to post a video on the internet. But trust me, having the right devices will surely help you in producing decent output, and it will motivate you to keep going. So make the right investment wherever necessary. Please note that I'm not saying you need to invest lakhs of rupees in creating your own YouTube channel. But getting a camera, a mic, and a laptop that can run an editing software is very essential. I have shared a list of devices that I use to create my YouTube videos, so you can have a look at them. Number 2. Decide a theme. The number one rule of having a predictable success on YouTube or any other social media for that matter is to follow a theme. So think carefully, what is it that you want to share with the world? How can you help the people around you or the community at large? List down 4 topics and shoot 1 video per week in your first month. That's all. No need to rush to go faster. Take it slow and steady. Number 3. Write a script. Yes, even if you think you know everything that you are going to talk about, or if you're just going to speak your mind, still, you need to write down a script. You don't need to follow the script verbatim, but writing it down will help to bring a logical flow to your video and thus retain your audience. Number 4. Edit the video before posting. Even if it is as simple as adding an intro and outro slide or adding background music, do it. Don't post raw videos on YouTube. It doesn't look so professional. If you're not so sure about creating intro and outros, you can simply go to Canva and find templates for it. Personalize them and use them in your videos. Number 5. Write an appropriate title and a description and optimize for SEO. To make it a success on YouTube, you need to do more than just uploading a video. This includes writing a description that is optimized for SEO, adding a high-definition thumbnail which will encourage people to click on your video, adding relevant tags, and cards that will link to relevant videos on your channel. You can also download plugins such as TubeBuddy, which will help you understand how optimized your videos are and check the score of other videos in your category. So this was a brief overview of how to get started on YouTube. If you found this video useful, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comment section below. See you next time.